Welcome back to the Organized Mom. I have grocery shopping going on from Target. Also, I got my coffee and I also did shopping at Trader Joe's. It's kind of chilly out here, but I really wanted to clean my garage, especially we have leaves everywhere. So I just clean all my garage floor and I feel like pretty good about it now. And I don't have much clutter because recently I cleaned a lot of my unnecessary boxes and everything, and now it's just uh, pretty organized, I would say. I got gluten-free pumpkin bread mix from Trader Joe's, and I'm really excited to try this one because I never tried it earlier, and I'm a big fan of pumpkin, honestly. So give it a shot, and it's just eggs, water and oil, that's it. And I had to bake it in the oven, so it's not time consuming. So I thought, okay, it's good to make it on Saturday morning, and also over the weekend we will enjoy. I have really healthy grocery haul from Trader Joe's this time. So I have organic chicken for chicken curry. I'm going to make chicken curry for our dinner. So that is for that. Gluten-free waffles, organic brown eggs. Also I got blueberries. Also I got figs. My husband and I, we take nuts for our snacks. Kombucha, ginger flavor, arrabbiata sauce. I really love that sauce. Organic yogurt, almond milk, that is vanilla unsweetened almond milk, and we use this for our coffee. Organic whole milk for Sarah, and this is last week haul, guys. So if probably you are looking at dates, this is we have already used it by the time you are watching this video. Gluten-free granola, fruit and nut, this is my fave. Pistachios. Also I got cauliflower. I'm going to make cauliflower curry, southwestern chopped salad, spring mix salad. These all are salads for our lunches. Whole wheat bread for my family, mushrooms and cucumber, tomatoes and two green bell peppers, and mushroom. Probably I'm going to make pasta. So Sarah loves mushrooms. So this is what I got from Trader Joe's. A lot later in the evening, we had our dinner, and my half of the kitchen, I already cleaned it. Sorry for weird lighting, guys. Actually, first time I'm using my camera this time. I typically used to use my phone as a camera, but today I have been using my camera and I'm still trying to figure it out. So please bear with me. As you know, I always love to sleep with clean kitchen before going to bed. And I have Mrs. Meyer's mom scent, and this smells so amazing. You should try that, guys. So I'm just going to clean my big pots, and just clean my sink. I don't mop my floors every single day, but it's just weekends. I'm less tired, so I thought, okay, I love my floors to clean. Okay, I have a little mess here. It's not too messy. I was watching something on iPad. My husband's jacket is there, which is okay. I have some mess here, and remotes and things. So I will give clean up in a minute. It will probably just take a minute. I prefer to have some kind of herbal tea before going to bed. And this lemon ginger probiotic, which is caffeine free, and I got this from Target. So you'll probably find this one at Target or Walmart. But I really like this flavor. Hope you guys like today's video. It's not super like cleaning, but as I said, I don't clean all day long, and it's just making some things which is gluten free, and clean my kitchen before going to bed, and so little things. And I'm gonna call out and see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.